please join us in welcoming the co-founder of Biyaya Animal Care, none other than Ms. Rina Ortiz.
Salamat po pagdadalaw and coming to be and share your time with us. This is our first ever event. Biyaya Animal Care is not a foundation and not an NGO, although we plan to make one. Biyaya Animal Care is what is called a social enterprise. Everything we earn in our hospital, in our clinics, goes back to animal welfare and our campaign, Stray-Free, Rabies-Free Philippines 2035.
So it is pleasure to be invited to this advocacy of Ms. Rina. No? We've always been a partner of Ms. Rina sa mga advocacies niya, especially animal welfare.
I believe in teaching dog owners having an open communication with their dogs.
So we are here to give a demonstration with regards to the capabilities of our canine. Goes to the first bark box. Very good.
We have many programs throughout the year, but we thought to kick off this way to celebrate with all of you, to introduce ourselves. So animal welfare is not just dogs or cats. It is all animals, including humans, because humans have a very direct relationship with animals. Without the animals, I really doubt that humans would have progressed as far as this. We need your help. This is our request, our hope that you become partners with all animal welfare advocates, whether it is supporting them financially or by way of giving rice, cat food, dog food, or even bringing in one stray at a time for kapon in low-cost areas, talking to your neighbors, telling them, no, don't tie your dogs to the gate and leave them rain or shine. Lahat po yan, magagawa po namin, maski meron po kayong kakayanan o hindi. Let us be creative and find purpose and meaning in our community by contributing to our community through the animals.